Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a image file into Word or into text format. So maybe you have a scanned PDF or any other document that is not editable in your computer, and you need to know how to transform it into Word or text format. So just go on Google and type the keyword online, or on your browser, type online OCRnet, and this interface will appear to you, and you can just go here and select the file. I remember that I have the screenshot that is not editable that I have recorded. PNG file that is not editable. So I will use free online OCR service in order to show you how you can convert your PNG files that is not editable into a text format. So let us just click on select file, and you will browse into your computer in order to select the file. The file that I'm going to select is file name capture, that is PNG file. That I just present to you. Then click on open. So the file is now converting. The conversion is over. So just click on convert. And when you click on convert, you can see that my document has been converted into a Word output file. So we have this screenshot that has been transformed into a PNG file. That is an image. It's correct through on panel data analysis in SPSS without coding program or programming. So we can see that in our online service, free online OCR service, our image has been converted into a text that we can copy and paste in any editor in order to transform